Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I have for you today is another craft fair ideas project. This time I wanted to make something a little vintage, and I'm making a pinch top treat holder that will also hold nail polish. So you can also take this and adapt it to the craft fair if you want to put, like, it'll also hold candy like Hershey's Nuggets or just Hershey, the little miniature bars. It would hold different things, but you could also use it for a great stocking stuffer gift. Like, you can put nail polish in it, anything like that. And I'll show you my prototypes in a minute. I really like these, okay? So if you want to make this little treat box that's pinch pleated at the top, then let me show you what you'll need. Okay, you'll need a ruler, bone folder, scoreboard, paper cutter or scissors, a crocodile, or you can just use a hole punch. It really doesn't matter. Okay, and then you're going to need, I'm going to use this AdTech Essential Tape Runner. I've been putting more on, and I like it a lot better, okay? This is such an easy project, and it's going to be a quick video, okay? And then these are the papers that I've decided that I wanted to use, and I'll link everything in the description box below that I can find. I'm pretty sure one or both of these are on Amazon, and this is just a 6x6 paper pad. So you just need a 6x6 paper pad. No cutting. Really, you don't need a paper trimmer. I can't believe I said that, but you don't even need a paper trimmer for this. It's a great scrap buster as well. So I've used this 25 and peppermint, and then this Prima Marketing, I don't know what this one is, but they're both Christmas, okay? This is the one that I'm going to be doing today. This is so versatile, but let me show you my prototypes. Can we just have a moment for beauty? And you're going to need some ribbon, okay? Now, and some stickers of your choice. This is the 25 and Market, I believe, by Prima. But look at this. Now, this has nail polish in it. And then this, look at this. You really wouldn't even have to decorate that, but I did. I put that on, and this has candy in it, okay? So let me just open this. You could, finish it off several ways if you wanted. I just punched a hole and did this, but, I mean, the options are, you could fold the top over, whatever you want to do. But you can see right here, here is a big Ella and Mila nail polish, okay? So it will fit right down in there, no problems at all. Okay, so let's start making these really cute treat box ideas. Okay, first what you need to do is get you a 6x6 piece of paper, or you could cut down paper to 6x6. Get your scoreboard out. This is so simple, okay? Now, if you're going to score it, just keep in mind how you put your paper if you have directional paper, okay? So I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to score the 6x6 piece of paper at 1, 2 3/4. And this cardstock is, well, it's not cardstock. Well, it is, but it's designer series paper. It's not really thin, okay? I have made it with a thinner type, and it works well, okay? So that was 2 3/4, then 3 3/4, and then 5 1/2, okay? Then we're just going to flip it according to where you want the bottom of your box, okay? I want my bottom here, so I'm turning it that way, and we're going to score it at 1 inch. That's all you do. We're almost finished. This video is going to be super short, okay? So first, what you want to do is burnish all your score lines. And I really like this because if you have paper like this, you're taking advantage of your paper and you're really not losing a lot of it. I think it's very pretty. Like when I did this one, you can see all around that it's gorgeous, okay? All right, I did that one. Then I'm going to get this little edge. And then I'm going to burnish this at the bottom. Okay. Now, if you can see here, here's a little, very small rectangle. We're going to get our scissors. And there's very little cutting in this involved. And we're going to cut this totally out. Okay. Then what you're going to do, like that other box I made, is you have a large rectangle and a square. We're going to cut up each one of these score lines to the other score line that goes across here. And then all we're going to do is just start putting these little, cut a little tiny triangle out of this so it'll fold nicely, okay? You don't bother these large rectangles, only the squares, okay? And, you know, you don't have to take a lot out. Just want to give it so it will close better. Okay, are you ready? All right, you can see how this is going to fold, and it's going to be beautiful depending on what side you want to use. It's going to be gorgeous, and I don't know which side will be my favorite, okay? So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to take this AdTech Essential Tape Runner, and I'm going to put it right down here like that. And then, yeah, that's all I'm going to do. Now, the only thing is when you bring it over here, make sure it's flush. Sometimes it tries to scooch up on you. But that one, no, I think it did scooch up a little bit. Let's see. Well, it's not that bad. We'll leave it, okay? Now, then all you have to do, these flaps go in, okay? Now, it depends on, do I want that to be my front? But I think this one should be because this is where the back is. But they're both equally gorgeous, okay? So I'm going to put some glue on here. Okay, I'm going to push that down. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here. Pull that. Look at this. Is this not adorable and so simple? Then all you do is just pinch this, okay? And that is beautiful from any angle. Oh my gosh. You could even put, I don't know, but you could put a lot of stuff in here. I'll tell you how large it is. It's not that large. Now I'm using my 3/16 of an inch. But you could use, like I said, your hole punch, okay? Punched a hole there in the center. I just eyeballed it, okay? And then I'm just going to get some ribbon. Now I'm going to put some candy in here, but like I said, you could put numerous things in here. I'm back with these Hershey's with almonds. I'm telling you, if this craft fair series doesn't stop soon, I'm going to weigh 500 pounds. Okay, let's see. Here's 3. 3 goes in quite comfortably, okay? Then all you do is pinch that. Then I'm just going to fold this. And we have to decorate this. Pull it through. Take this. Pull this through like this. Then you see that cinches it. If you wanted, you could just cut these tops off just to make this different. I may just do that. Just cut your tops at an angle. And look at that. Is that not beautiful? Oh my gosh. I love it. So simple. Great craft fair project, stocking stuffer idea, anything, okay? Now, let me see what I might want to put on that. Since I don't really want to put, I have these little stickers. Well, they're not stickers. Cutouts. You could put, but I don't, that doesn't look good. Okay, let's see. You could, no, I don't want that there. Gotta find something. That no, what do I? You could do that in Merry Christmas, but I'm not feeling that. Gingerbread wishes. A little girl, but she doesn't fit. No. I love the retro look of these. I think it's going to take something kind of special if we decorate this one at all. We may not, because it does have so much on it. You could just put a little poinsettia on there. You could put a tag and let it hang down. Here's a bell. There's bells on that. I could, but I don't know. Could put a bell up there, I suppose. A ball, like a ornament, December 25th, but I'm not feeling that either. Nutcracker, but let's see. Kind of like the bell. Let me see. I have some other things. Different ephemera. That's kind of cute. That's a maybe. Here's those other bells like I put on that other one. I really like that. But I really don't want to decorate two of them the same. Like I said, there's that. Here's this. You could put that right there. That kind of goes pretty well. Let me see if I have like an ornament that hangs down. Let's look at that. That's not bad either. Oh, here's an ornament. Could do the ornament. And this one has this one. Could just kind of put those down through there. Then here is a pink one. I could kind of alternate the pink. Okay, let's see which one of these we really like, okay? So we have that. I think that's pretty because it's the same there. Then we have this. I don't think so. Then we have this. It's pretty, but I think it's almost too busy. Then we have that. I do like that. And then we have those. I think I'm going to go with these little ornaments. And I'm going to get these little dimensional dots. What did I do with my scissors? Oh, here they are. Just going to cut it into, I should use my non-stick scissors. Okay, we're going to stick this on the back. And we're going to stick this one on the back of this one. Okay, and I'm going to put this red one on first. I like that. I like the dimension. I think it adds a lot. But I know somebody would just love to get this in their stocking or wherever because it's the thought that counts. Let's take a look at these adorable treat boxes. Okay, here is how my pinch top treat boxes turned out that would be great craft fair project ideas or, like I said, Santa gifts, secret Santa gifts, stocking stuffers, just anything. They're gorgeous. Here is this one, and I really wanted it just to be vintage. This has the nail polish in it. You can see how simple it was to make, and here's the pinch pleat at the top. And here, look at this. With this paper, you really would not have to decorate this. It is gorgeous. Beautiful. Now I have candy in this one. And you could put some of those little embellishing dots on there. Be beautiful. And look at this. I'm really glad that I went with those balls because they look like they're just cascading down. It's pretty from any angle. I love it. It almost reminds me of a milk carton in a way. I bet if you pulled that out and you had like little candies, you could pour them out. I don't know. So if you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a pinch top treat box, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.